Hello and welcome to the MKLAB. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize this Tumi backpack. I'm not going to give you the final result just yet because I wanted to show you the process of how I actually do it. So I had a client, she calls me and she's like, "MORLAYE, I love your work and I'd like for you to paint something for me. I want you to use only two colors, pink and teal." Sure, no problem. And I hang up the phone and I'm like, pink and teal? Those are tricky colors. How do I put them together and make them look cool? I think the end result turned out to be pretty good. Before I start any project, I create a mock-up on the computer and I play around with color, composition, and sizing to make sure that all of it works together. And once I decide on the final result, I start painting. Now that I created a mock-up on the computer, I'm ready to begin and start my favorite part, which is painting. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this process. It was definitely fun, and check out my other videos. Now I'll see you guys on the next one.